Welcome back, my dear students. Let us start our new topic, that is synthetic fibers and plastics. In this session, we will discuss the introduction of fibers and what are synthetic fibers. Let us recall about fibers which we have learned in our lower classes. Fibers. The clothes that we wear are made of fibers. Fibers are nothing but threads. If you closely observe any cloth under the microscope, these fibers or threads can be seen. So, fibers are thin, thread-like strands produced from natural sources or artificial sources. Classification of fibers. Fibers are mainly classified into two types as natural fibers, cotton, jute, wool, silk, synthetic fibers, rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylics. Natural fibers are obtained from plants or animals. Synthetic fibers are man-made, produced from chemical substances in the laboratory or industries. Synthetic fibers. Before we study about synthetic fibers, we should know a term called polymer. What is a polymer? The word poly means many and morphos means structure. So, a chain-like structure formed by combining several smaller molecules repeatedly is called a polymer. The smallest unit of molecule involved in making polymer is called monomer. If you zoom in cotton, it is a polymer made up of cellulose. Cellulose is a carbohydrate made up of several monomeric units called glucose. Of course, cotton is a natural polymer. Let us do a simple activity for understanding about polymer. Take plastic beads and make it into a larger chain-like structure with the help of a thread. What did you observe? A long, beautiful chain is obtained, which is nothing but a polymer. In this structure, consider bead as a monomer. Let us see another example. Take several paper clips and join them together. You will observe that a long paper clip chain is formed. In this chain, each clip is a monomer, and the long chain is a polymer. Synthetic fiber is also a long chain formed by combining of small units. Each small unit is a chemical substance. Depending on the type of monomeric units involved in the formation of a polymer, they are classified into 1. Homopolymers, 2. Heteropolymers. If all the monomers are of the same type, then the polymer is called a homopolymer. Examples: polythene, polystyrene, Teflon. If two or more types of monomers are involved in the formation of a polymer, then it is called as heteropolymer. Examples: bakelite, nylon. You will learn in detail about these polymers in your next higher classes. Summary: fibers are thin thread-like strands produced from natural sources or artificial sources. Natural fibers are obtained from plants or animals. Synthetic fibers are man-made, produced from chemical substances in the laboratory or industries. A chain-like structure formed by combining several smaller molecules repeatedly is called polymer. The smallest unit or molecule involved in making polymer is called monomer. Rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylics are examples of some synthetic fibers.